push on the dough, and it springs back nice and slowly. You can see they are sitting nice and tall and round in the basket, and we are not dipping in the middle. They're ready to be baked. So I'll tip them onto the tray, and then what we will do is score our loaves. I'll show you one quite simple scoring, and then we'll go a little bit more adventurous on the second one. When scoring, okay, what I have here is a razor refill blade, and I'll be holding it on the shorter side and doing quite decisive cuts, not a jagged motion, a nice straight line for the job. What you can use at home is a blade, or perhaps if you've got a very thin paring knife that is nice and sharp, you can give that a go too. Now, once they are tipped out and then scored, what I will do is get them into my oven, 230 degrees fan, for about 45 minutes. And what I will do is bake the two trays together, and then halfway through, I'll swap and turn the trays around for a nice even bake. Now, as with all our previous bakes, we will be needing that steam, okay, for the crust. So again, I've got my spray bottle to hand, and I will be spraying the chamber of the oven, the bottom and the sides of the oven, but not the bread itself. So what I'm going to do is just pop some flour on the top, like so, and you want to gently release them from the basket. They're holding all that carbon dioxide. Don't go bashing it down and ruining all of that structure. So just tip them out gently onto the tray, like so. 1, and 2. So the first one, I'm just going to do 2 decisive cuts, perhaps something like this, 1, 2. And then this one, why don't we go a little bit more adventurous, and we'll go for perhaps a nice diamond pattern, like so. Okay, so let's get these baked.